Get out. Get your hand on there and unscrew that one. That was some good screwing.
So it can't move anymore.
Exactly. Oh, who owns that blood? Who owns it? Yours? How did you cut yourself? That's the one, go ahead. That's the stuff. Now, these things are in two halves and they are no longer built to be replaced or opened. So then you can do is cut or prise. You have to separate these two, but they're sealed.
That's a very naughty washing machine.
Isn't it just? Now.
That's it.
Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look lovely? Yeah, there's our bad down in there, look. Oh gosh, he's totally gone. Yeah, no wonder.
Going down the
Look
rain.
at that.
Going down the rain.
No wonder she was noisy. Oh. She broke the whole wrist. A 6207 and a 6206. Oh, it's really thick in here, look. Off some good gooey sticky stuff. That's CT1. It don't need to be pretty, just has to hold. Lovely. By no means perfect, but she's a hell of a lot quieter. €20 sure as hell beats 500.